Hello, dear aviation enthusiasts. This is Professor Avram Aerospace, and Good to Know in Aviation. Today, we are going to discuss about significant finding. And reference document is FAA Advisory Circular, AC 120-17, Reliability Program Methods. Chapter 5.2, Analysis of Task Effectiveness. Subsection 5.2.4.3, Significant Finding. As per this section, a significant finding is a maintenance record considered directly related to the task being analyzed that indicates a functional failure or significant failure or wear has occurred. These are primary analysis concerns. Examples of significant findings include system findings that affect airworthiness or safety on the ground or in flight, are undetectable or unlikely to be detected during operations, have significant operational impact, have significant economic impact. Now, let's see the structures findings. Affect airworthiness or safety on the ground or in flight. Have reportable defects under the Service Difficulty Reporting, or SDR, system. Have Level 2 corrosion. Have Level 1 corrosion found other than at the scheduled maintenance interval. And this is the examples of significant findings as per AC 120-17.
Again, thank you very much for watching our videos. Please support us. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Buy our books about aviation reliability, which now available on Amazon.com. We are planning to have a lot of interesting contents on aircraft reliability, aircraft safety, etc. Again, thank you very much for your support. See you next time. Bye.